When I came to Hill Murray as a freshman, I didn't know anybody, but stepping in, I really found my community right away. There's so many amazing people here, and the community is really great and strong, and everybody just comes together.
As a new student, I felt very welcome, and it was easy to fit in. I love how we're always here to help one another. The teachers are always here to listen, and so is the guidance counseling, and the community is just here to lift each other up.
The people here are amazing. They want you to learn, they want you to succeed.
Nobody's left out. So it's almost a community where everybody's accepted and everybody gets everybody.
I've made so many bonds and so many friendships, and I'm just so grateful that I came here.
I found the best group of friends at Hill Murray that pushed me to be better, explore my interests, and you will really find your place at Hill Murray with all the great kids we have here.
All the sports are really inclusive. As long as you work hard, you can get into it.
I feel like they're more connected and they have better teamwork and they're more welcoming and more supportive. They accept you for how you play and who you are.
I think a lot of teachers have helped me grow, and I really like going to Mass, so I've really found my place there and the other people who value God as much as I do.
High school can be rough, and it is anywhere, but I found myself relying on God, and now I know I have someone to go to.
I found my home at Hill Murray.
I found my home at Hill Murray.
I found my calling at Hill Murray.
I found my faith at Hill Murray.